Hi guys, welcome to Cyber School Hub, where you can personalize your education. I am Myra, and in this video I am going to talk about the following topic: personal pronouns and the different forms of the verb to be. Let's go. Do you know what personal pronouns with the be form actually express? With the personal pronouns, you, he, she, we, you, they, you can say who or what someone is, or also who or what a thing is. Let's go into it a little deeper. When I say, I am Laura, I is the pronoun, and am is the short form of the to be form, and it means that I am the person Laura. Let me give you another example. You are a nice cat. In this case, you is the pronoun, and are is the short form of the verb be. Everything clear now? If not, please write your questions in the comments below. Now let's take a look into which personal pronouns there are and how to actually form them with the be form. First of all, you need to know that we have singular forms of personal pronouns and plural forms. Let's start with the singular forms of the personal pronouns and their to be forms. When you only talk about one singular person, you can either use I am, you are, he is, or it is. Here, you use the personal pronoun and then the associate form of to be. Now let's take a look into the plural forms of the personal pronouns. You use them when talking about more than one person. These forms are we, you, and they. You can keep in mind that their to be form is always the same. It is are. Here are some other relevant information. The personal pronoun, it, is used to describe things or animals, but when you know the name of the animal, use the female or male form of the personal pronoun. The personal pronoun I is always written in capital letter. And you is also used as the polite form. Now let's talk about the long and short forms of the to be form. The short forms of be with the personal forms are used because they are spoken more fluently. In the long form, the to be form is written out in full. I am, you are, he is, it is, we are, you are, they are. The to be forms that are highlighted here in red are written out. In the next slide, you will see the short form and the difference between the long and short forms of the to be form. They are also highlighted in red. Here we have the difference. Can you tell? These are the short forms of the to be form, and they are abbreviated by an apostrophe in front of the endings of the previously shown long forms of to be, also highlighted in red. Do you have any questions? If so, please write them in the comments. Congratulations! In this video, you learned about the personal pronouns, the corresponding to be form, and the long and short forms of the to be forms. Feel free to watch this video again if you want to internalize them, and write me your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned something new. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I am Myra from Cyber School Hub, where you can personalize your education.